Is that a good popsicle, Harper? Is that yum yum?
To me.
Tell Grandma how good the popsicle is. Is that good?
It's Grandma.
We're going to send her the pictures.
Where'd Grandma go?
Grandma's in Oklahoma. What?
Can we go to the plane?
Yeah, we're going to ride the plane and go to Oklahoma.
Yay!
Are you going to be good on the plane? What do you do on the plane, Spencer?
I don't know.
Do you watch your movies?
Mm-hmm.
Do you take a nap?
Yes.
Do you get a snack? Yeah?
I sleep in the plane.
You sleep on the plane?
Yes, I eat a snack in the plane.
Yeah. Does the plane go high up in the air?
Mm-hmm.
Is it way up in the sky?
I think it's far away.
Far away?
Mm-hmm.
In Oklahoma, okay. Is your popsicle suddenly hot?
It is hot. My popsicle is hot.
Is it hot or is it cold?
Cold.
Cold. What does it taste? What's it?
Grandma's going to come to our house.
Is she? Our house.
To me.
Is this to see you? Is she gonna see Harper?
Mm-hmm. All of us.
Oh, okay.
You and Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Daddy. Daddy. What is this?
What is that?
A popsicle.
What flavor is it?
Gray.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Grandma's going to see the popsicle.
Yeah.
And the
Okay.
And the mommy's dad.
Uh-huh.
Daddy.
And Daddy, okay. You say
Where's Daddy?
he's upstairs.
Oh, yes. Daddy from there?
Yep, Daddy's upstairs.
How many do it? I can't.
You're doing good. Okay, I think Harper's done. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say bye-bye, Harper.
Bye-bye.